Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi A3 fuel cap. This is a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. Before we begin, make sure you have a new fuel cap designed for your Audi A3 model, along with a small flathead screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the replacement smooth and efficient. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's remove the old fuel cap. First, open your fuel filler door to expose the cap. You'll notice a small tether that secures the cap to your car. Gently use your flathead screwdriver to unclip or pry off this tether from its attachment point. Once the tether is free, simply turn the old fuel cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely and can be lifted away. This step should be quick and easy. With the old cap removed, it's time to install your brand new fuel cap. Carefully align the new cap with the fuel filler neck. Begin turning the cap clockwise. You should hear several clicks, indicating that it's properly tightened and sealed. After securing the cap, reattach the tether to its original connection point on your vehicle. This ensures the cap remains connected and prevents it from being lost. You're almost done. To complete the process, close your fuel filler door, making sure it latches securely. Take a moment to check your dashboard for any warning lights, especially the check engine light, which can sometimes illuminate due to a loose or faulty fuel cap. A new, properly installed cap helps maintain your vehicle's fuel efficiency and reduces harmful emissions. Remember to periodically inspect your fuel cap for any signs of wear or damage to ensure optimal performance. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.